Now I want to work with some rhythm. Okay, so I'm gonna give me a pulse. Okay, I want you to give me this pulse. Boom, 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 beat 4. Boom, boom, just together. Boom, 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 boom. Something I call rhythmic harmony. It's basically creating counterpoints that lock in a certain way, that have we have a lot of possibilities with this. This is something we can feel in 4 and 3 and 2 and 6. Because we got 1, 2, all those things are happening. So there's a lot of possibilities. You know, especially when you think about jazz drummers, I mean, this is kind of where I get this from. It's like, you have 4 limbs, you can sort of have counterparts happening and express yourself in different ways. And now when the ensemble has these rhythmic possibilities, so we have this rhythmic harmony, sense of, you know, there's 2 or more pulses or patterns together that create more a feeling. So let's build on this. So all I want to do now is feeling it. You guys sound good. So this brings up the thing. It sounds great, but I just want to bring up another aspect of the soul that I think is really important. Everybody's pretty got a strong, you know, rhythmic support here. So okay, now you get a chance to solo, right? So it's like, yeah, you could solo within the time frame. That's not just for the drummer, that's for anybody. But really, because there's so much rhythmic support, you don't need to play in time. You can play much more like rubato and more, you know, gestural. So when this is happening, you can be like, you know, you can have, or so let's get the rhythm going. Okay, let's get this going again, and let's just, when we pass around a couple more solos, play like you're floating in the clouds above all of this. And that kind of contrast and that kind of expression is going to really stand out, and you know, you So let's work on our lyrical sort of phrasing over this rhythm section stuff, okay? Trumpets. Da, 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 da.
Sure, absolutely.
exercise yourself a few minutes every day or every week with somebody else. Somebody holding a note, the other one changing the note. Right? And you get sort of much more in touch with actual sound, you know, the actual detail of the sound. Right? This is so important. Right? Now you can do the same as a whole orchestra. We can probably do it at the end of the day today, but let's right now do something a little bit. So let's get back to the instruments, but